Hey guys, welcome to Moss's Used Car Emporium. In the market for a camper van? I've got you covered. Small, you say? No, try a compact. This bad boy will get you where your Winnebago won't. Smooth lines, a timeless design. How old do you think this is? 5 years, 10 years? Try 28 years. You wouldn't know. You need to go to the center of an ancient Roman village. This one will get you there. Top of that mountain, try get up there with your Airstream. Not going to happen. This boy will do it. Rugged tires. We've got some flexible wheel arches here. Tough bull bar. This is going to handle anything. Rust. There's no rust here. Aluminium. Mountain goat. This will get you up a mountain pass. Even available in 4x4. Let's have a look in the back. You tell me that doesn't look comfy, man. This is probably the coziest camper van on the planet. Let's talk standard equipment. Folding front seats. A windscreen. Sun visors come as standard. And not to forget, rubber floor mats. Look at this. Removable. It also has a steering wheel and indicators that work sometimes. Adaptable. Flexible is the word you're looking for. The most flexible camper van around. Set up as a camper, no problem. You need to transport a hay bale or two, shove it in there, no big deal. You can't do that in your other camper van, can you? You want to sleep on the roof? You can do that. Roll around with your tent on the roof, make the neighbors jealous. So guys, don't delay, call now. Our lines are open down below. We're waiting for you. I don't know how long I can keep this on the lot.
Excuse me, what are you doing? What? I couldn't move for 2 minutes and he's trying to sell the car. Oh, you keep rolling. Oh, not for sale.